housing. Even in the most advanced countries, an increasing number of citizens are homelessness. They are joined by 1.5 billion currently residing in poor and unhealthy housing. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, the challenge before us is enormous. The only way we can achieve positive and transformative impact on the ground is not to go it alone, but to embrace multilateral action. Here, I would like to quote a Swahili proverb that reads, "Unity is strength, division is weakness." To answer the call of Member States to set priorities, we have taken guidance from Member States at the high-level meeting on the implementation of the new urban agenda last year. We are also grateful for inputs from ministerial roundtables at the 11th session of the World Urban Forum and at COP27, respectively. I have put forward UN Habitat's priorities, including on adequate housing, climate adaptation, localizing the Sustainable Development Goals, and better urban crisis management. They correspond to the UN Habitat Strategic Plan that was approved by Member States in the first Assembly. We thank the Committee of Permanent Representatives that pronounced on the robustness of our strategic plan despite COVID-19. We appreciate the guidance from the Executive Board to extend the strategic plan by a further 2 years to align with the rest of the United Nations system. Before I conclude, I wish to acknowledge the considerable support and wise counsel we have received over many weeks and months from members of the Executive Board, the Committee of Permanent Representatives,